Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Pixel Flow stop working right after you updated your iPhone to a new iOS version? Here's the quick fix. First, restart your iPhone completely. Hold the side button and the volume down at the same time. Slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. iOS updates create temporary conflicts when graphics heavy apps like Pixel Flow, and a full restart clears most of these right away. After restarting, open the App Store and tap on your profile picture at the top right corner and scroll down and look for Pixel Flow in the list of available updates. Since developers typically push iOS compatibility patches quickly after a major Apple release, tap Update in Settings immediately if one is showing. If there is no update yet and Pixel Flow is still broken, go to your settings, then go to General, then go to iPhone Storage, find Pixel Flow, tap Offload app, and reinstall it fresh from the App Store to get a clean build for your current iOS. So all you've got to do is restart your iPhone, check App Store for Pixel Flow update, offload and reinstall if needed. Pixel Flow works for your new iOS, and that's it. Subscribe.